So excited. So.
Hey guys, welcome to Tilbury Tell All, where I will be joined by experts and friends to decode everything skincare. We'll be telling you about the iconic Tilbury Glow, what goes into it, and all the little tips and tricks to get the best glow of your life. Today's special guest at Charlotte Tilbury needs no introduction. He is our magic nerd, the scientist behind the glow. He is Jonathan Reynolds. Hi Jonathan, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me. I can't wait to nerd out with you all completely.
For everyone who doesn't know you, please tell us what you do here at Charlotte Tilbury and how did you get here?
So I'm the Director of Scientific Development. I've been at Charlotte Tilbury almost 7 years, helping behind the scenes, finding those incredible skincare ingredients that Charlotte is obsessed with.
So in front of us, we have the Glow Box. Inside the Glow Box is one of Charlotte's magic skincare icons. So will you do the honors of opening the Glow Box with me to find out what we will be discussing today?
Of course, let's find out. It's Charlotte's Magic Hydration Revival Cleanser.
Oh! So we've had so many people all over the world asking us, what is a cleanser?
A cleanser is a product that will clean your skin. This is quite a pivotal step in your skincare routine because it helps to remove the makeup, pollution, SPF that's on your skin and opens you to the next step of your skincare routine.
So can we use this cleanser morning and night, or would you recommend more in the evening? Like, what would be your recommendation?
I would recommend using a cleanser twice a day. During the night, you're sweating, your head's rolling around the pillows, so there might be buildup of bacteria on your skin, so you really want to get rid of all of that. In the evening, to make sure that you remove all your makeup, SPF, any pollution or impurities that might be sitting on your skin, so that your skin is perfectly cleansed and primed for your next step.
How much cleanser should you use?
You only need about a hazelnut amount. A little goes a long way, about that much for your entire face. So
Only?
a little.
I might have been overusing some. A lot of people ask about double cleansing and that double cleansing is important to prime your skin for the rest of your skincare ingredients. Is that true? Is that false? What does our Magic Hydration Revival Cleanser do?
So double cleansing is the step of using an oil-based cleanser to help break down the makeup much easier, and then following with another cleanser to absolutely deeply cleanse the skin. With Charlotte's Magic Hydration Revival Cleanser, we have combined this all into one. Though we do recommend for harder to remove makeup, especially like long wear makeup and on the eye area, to use our incredible biphase cleanser, Take It All Off. This is a really gorgeous product that will easily break down that long wear makeup.
So what is it that makes it so magic?
This is cleansing to the power of 3. We have the 3 transformative textures going from the cream to foam to milk.
Triple threat.
But it's also got 3 powerhouse ingredients behind it. And that includes a biomimetic complex, which is just a composition of natural moisturizing factors and lipids that are naturally found in the skin. So it biomimics what is already there and helps to replenish it. There's also a low molecular weight hyaluronic acid. I mean, we love hyaluronic acid.
Who doesn't love hyaluronic acid?
The hydration powerhouse. And because it's a low molecular weight version of it, it just means it's really tiny.
Gets into your skin more easily?
Exactly. So like, even though this is a rinse-off product, that hyaluronic acid will be able to
So it feeds your
penetrate.
skin whilst cleansing it?
Exactly. And there's also a peptide complex in there, which is derived
If you don't know what a peptide is, you gotta know.
You gotta know. So peptides are basically just small sections of a protein. The peptide that we have in the cleanser is derived from cottonseed, and it's designed to have an opposite charge, like an opposite electrical charge to the skin. So even if you're rinsing it off, it's like a magnet. It just sticks onto the skin.
That's so cool.
So cool. When it's slowly absorbed into the skin over time, it helps to plump out the skin from within and also reduce the appearance of pores.
The cleanser was valid, it's very in line with what our sort of purpose here is at Charlotte Tilbury, to kind of have that immediate skin revival. So every product is just immediate skin revival.
You want to see that glow and the change in your skin immediately. As Charlotte always says,
Straight
28
up.
seconds, not 28 days.
So I know that it took you and Charlotte such a long time to develop this product. I think it was about 3 years?
Yeah, it takes a long time. Like, Charlotte is so specific about what she wants. The first thing she wanted, she was like, I don't want stripping. It needs to be gentle, but still really effective at removing makeup.
Yeah. When developing it, obviously I know that you test it out, Charlotte tests it out, I test it out, but also you guys do clinical trials.
Yes, so this is always the most fun process, I think, for me. So we send product to a third-party independent lab where they recruit just normal people. They will use the product over a set period of time, and we ask them specific questions on what do they think about the product. We'll also do clinical testing, so we'll have visual assessors looking at people's skin before and after using it to see if that immediate skin revival is actually there on everyone.
I can see how excited it's getting.
I'm so excited.
The moment to reveal what were the amazing results of the clinical trials we did with our Magic Hydration Revival Cleanser.
They were absolutely phenomenal. After just a single cleanse, the skin is immediately 2 times more hydrated and stays hydrated for up to 24 hours.
That's insane.
It's insane for a cleanser to do that. It is absolutely revolutionary.
So now we're going to look at some of the amazing results from a Magic Hydration Revival Cleanser. We're going to take a look at some of the amazing before and afters that we have. Oh my God, look at her glow.
You can see it, and I'm sure she can feel it.
So this is the part of the segment where we decided, is it magic or science?
I'm gonna have to say it's science.
It's magic.
Rude.
I think it's magic and science because it's got magical benefits, it's magic making it, and it's just a magical product.
And it's boosted by the science of all of these amazing ingredients, the tri-phase formula, the free powerhouse ingredients behind it, and just the magical benefits that you have on your skin after you use it.
Magic is science.
Exactly, that is just not yet explained.
And that's all we have time for. Jonathan, thank you so much for being part of the show and decoding all the pressing skincare questions and talking about our magical cleanser.
Thank you, Bella. It's been wonderful chatting with you, and I'm sure I'll see you again.
It's on a Zoom, so I can just